Tired of struggling with bad lighting, cleaning chores, or bulky shopping carts? Check out these amazing solutions. From the sleek D-Loop LED wall-mounted reading light to the powerful Fairy electric spin scrubber, we've got you covered for a smarter, more efficient home. Need something compact for your errands? The SereneLife folding shopping cart is perfect for you. Relax in style with the IULL Sleeper Sofa and get cleaning done effortlessly with the O-Cedar EasyWring mop. All the links are down below, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more amazing finds.
Number 1.
Tired of straining your eyes while reading at night? Meet the D-Loop LED wall-mounted reading light, your bedtime game changer. Imagine cozy evenings with wide, glare-free illumination, perfect for book lovers, students, and nighttime readers. Soft, eye-caring light protects your vision during long sessions. 5 brightness levels, adjust easily with a simple touch. 360-degree flexible gooseneck directs light exactly where you need it. No more awkward shadows or shifting lamps, just pure focus. Built-in USB port keeps your phone or Kindle charged while you read. Set the 4-hour auto-off timer. Fall asleep without worry. Energy-saving design means less power, more efficiency. Quick installation. Mount with tape or screws wherever you need. Modern, minimalist style fits bedrooms, dorms, and kids' rooms. Upgrade your reading space with convenience and comfort. Ready to transform your nights? Click to get your D-Loop now.
Number 2.
Tired of scrubbing stubborn stains by hand? Meet the electric spin scrubber, your cleaning game changer. Imagine sparkling bathrooms, kitchens, and even your car effortlessly. Powerful motor spins up to 400 RPM for deep, fast cleaning. Pair with your favorite cleaner to tackle even the toughest grime. 8 interchangeable brush heads suit every cleaning need. From tiles and tubs to windows and countertops, one tool does it all. Cordless design means no tangled cords, just pure convenience. Adjustable handle extends from 10 to 55 inches, reach every corner. Clean floors, walls, and ceilings without bending or stretching. Long-lasting battery, 2-hour charge, up to 90 minutes of power. Waterproof build. Rinse under the tap after use, worry-free. Choose 2 speeds. Gentle for daily use, powerful for tough stains. Perfect for busy professionals, homeowners, and seniors alike. Upgrade your cleaning routine. Save time, save effort. Get your electric spin scrubber today and enjoy a spotless home.
Number 3.
Tired of struggling with heavy bags in the city? Meet the SereneLife compact folding shopping cart. Perfect for groceries, laundry, or travel essentials. Imagine breezing through markets or city streets, hands-free. Its sturdy, rust-proof steel frame supports up to 70-pound weatherproof, tear-resistant liner keeps your items dry and safe. 360-degree swivel wheels glide effortlessly on any surface, cobblestone, snow, or sand. Ergonomic foam handle ensures a comfortable, secure grip every time. Multiple pockets and secure closures keep everything organized. Folds flat in seconds. Store it in your car, closet, or garage. Quick, tool-free assembly means you're ready to roll instantly. Removable waterproof liner is easy to clean after any trip. Stable, low center of gravity prevents tipping, even when fully loaded. Upgrade your daily errands, make every trip lighter and smarter. Don't wait, grab your SereneLife folding cart today.
Number 4.
Tired of cramped living rooms and no space for guests? Meet the IULL Sleeper Sofa, your ultimate space-saving solution. Transform your living room into a guest bedroom in seconds. Perfect for apartments, small homes, or frequent hosts. Pull out the bed easily with a smooth handle and bottom wheels. Your guests enjoy a spacious, comfortable sleeping area instantly. Reversible chaise adapts to any room layout, left or right. Hidden storage under the chaise keeps blankets and essentials organized. Buccal fabric offers a soft, cozy texture and modern look. High-density foam cushions provide superior comfort and support. Removable back cushions make cleaning and finding lost remotes easy. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use, even every day. Assembly is simple, clear instructions, and all tools included. Upgrade your home with multifunctional style and comfort. Ready to maximize your space? Click to get your IULL sofa now.
Number 5.
Tired of messy, time-consuming floor cleaning? Meet the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop System. perfect for busy families, pet owners, and homeowners. Imagine sparkling clean floors without touching dirty water. Just press the foot pedal for hands-free wringing. No mess. Splash Guard keeps water inside the bucket, not on your floors. Microfiber mop head removes over 99% of bacteria using only water. No harsh chemicals needed, safe for kids and pets. Triangle mop head rotates 360 degrees, reaches corners and under furniture. Telescopic handle extends up to 51 inches for comfortable mopping. Reusable machine washable mop head saves time and money. One refill lasts up to 3 months of deep cleaning. Works on hardwood, tile, vinyl, laminate, and more. Transform your cleaning routine, faster, easier, and more effective. Upgrade today. Experience the O-Cedar EasyWring difference. Click now and make floor cleaning truly effortless.